What is the #1 travel product that you cannot travel without? An international travel adapter, of course. If you are new to the Chasing Dane channel, hello, my name is Dane Luca. I post weekly travel videos. I've been traveling the world for over a year now. I'm currently in Sydney, Australia, and I would just like to say thank you to iBlockCube for sponsoring the Chasing Dane channel. And yes, I am plugging a plug. Now, I have talked about this on my channel before, so when iBlockCube reached out to me and wanted to sponsor the Chasing Dane channel, I could not think of a better collaboration. We live in a world where we use technology every day, which means keeping things charged, even whilst traveling. The great thing about this travel adapter is it removes the need to travel with multiple plugs and adapters, making it an all-in-one plug. It has 4 USBs, a USB-C, and a main plug. That means I can charge my phone, headphones, camera, drone, and laptop all at the same time without having to worry about having loads of plugs. I've used this thing in an airport, hostel, hotel, even recently in a van. As a traveler and a content creator, I need to keep all my things charged at all times, and this is an essential that I no longer travel without. P.S. This is actually my 3rd travel adapter from iBlockCube. I left my last one in a hostel in Costa Rica. Before I started using this travel adapter, I would always be looking for what plug do I need for what country, and it gets kind of annoying, and then you have a collection of plugs that you don't need. It's also extremely easy to use, so this is the travel adapter. All you have to do is slide out which country you are in. So I'm currently in Australia, so I would be using this one, and you plug it in and off you charge. It covers you for over 150 countries, including those in Europe, Asia, and the US. My favorite thing about this adapter is that it's simple to use, and I even use it at home whilst I'm not traveling, just because it's really convenient to have 4 USBs, which means I can charge everything I need from one plug. That saves me needing 4 different plugs for 4 different pieces of tech. That means I can charge everything, and it just removes the need to have loads of different adapters. If you guys are a returning viewer, you know I'm always going to keep it real. I will tell you if I don't like something. I will tell you when I love something. And the iBlockCube travel adapter, I love this product. I've used it for years. I use it when I travel. I use it when I'm at home just because it's so convenient. It's small. I can charge all my things with it, and it works in so many different countries. So I just want to say thank you to iBlockCube for sponsoring the Chasing Dane channel. I will leave a link in the description. If you click on that link, it tells iBlockCube that you came from the Chasing Dane community. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. So take care and peace out.